Hi, welcome to Sarah's Craft Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to trap your floats when doing stranded color work. Trapping your floats is very important because you don't want huge lines of yarn that could end up being tangled and pulling your work that are just hanging loose in the back of your work, especially when you're doing clothing. So today I'm going to show you how to be able to trap those and tack them down to your work so your work stays beautiful longer. So let's get right into it. This light blue is going to be the background color, while the mauve is going to be the contrasting color or the main color. Well, the contrasting color or the foreground color. So we're going to split it how it goes. The mauve on the left and the blue on the right. Now I prefer every time you have more than 4 stitches where you're carrying the color, it's best to trap the float. And you can do that. First we have 3, the blue, 1 of the mauve, which is not wanting to come with me. Oh. There we go. A little bit easier. And now we have 5 blue before our next red, our next mauve. So I'm going to trap it in the middle of there by knitting 2 of the blue, 1, 2, and on this stitch I'm going to trap the mauve so there's not a huge float in the background. Wrap it around this way, backwards, and then yarn over the blue, and it'll trap. It'll pick up the mauve, and we knit. As you can see now, the mauve is coming from that one, so then we'll knit the last 2. And then we go to the mauve. And now we can see it's trapped right there, where it picks it and holds it so there's not just a huge gap of yarn. Like I said, you want to do that if you're you'll want to trap the float if it's more than 4 stitches. Usually 4 stitches you can get away with, but if it's more, you can easily put a finger in. You might want to trap them more often if you're working for children's things because their fingers and their toes are much smaller, so they can get caught in much smaller floats. So then we'll continue. We're going to knit 2 blue. Under right there, so the mauve is over. We yarn over with the blue, and we drop the mauve. And that traps the float. Now, we don't have it in this pattern, but say you were needing to trap the blue as a float instead of the mauve. We'd yarn over, or we'd insert our needle, yarn over with the blue, yarn over with the mauve, and then yarn back out, the same way it went in. And that'll trap the blue. So I'll show you again. Knit these 2. Trap the mauve. Knit 2 more. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to trap the blue again. Even though it's not needed for this particular pattern, I'd like to show you. we're going to insert the needle, yarn over with the right yarn over with the left, and then back out with the blue, and that'll trap it. So then one more time for the mauve, through the left, trapping the left yarn, insert, you go over the front like that, yarn over, bring it back out, and that traps it. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you learned a lot this week. Please remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a message in the comments. If you need any further help, we'll be glad to help you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.